and thunder. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. Is a baby and this lady back? This is Jam Tours Africa family from jamtoursafrica.com. And guys, this is like the third time we're doing this. I was telling Miss Jam Tours, if we don't make a video for this boy, he might, be upset with us.
And who told you it's a boy?
It's always a boy, sweetie. It's always get what I want. It's always 3 boys. I say I want 3 boys, like Noah. 3 boys family. So as you guys know, this is a secret. I don't know when I will post this video. I'm just gonna actually just do it and save it because I don't think Miss Jam Tours is feeling well. But she always said she wanted it, so she did it. So guys, we're back at it again. Our 3rd time to the same hospital, and I don't know what will be their reaction, family. Because we're going to the same, what do you call those persons? It's a doctor, pediatrician, or what? Upstairs. And we're going to the same, same people. Everybody knows there from the 2nd time. This is the 3rd time.
The same doctor that has seen
The 2 kids. So, So guys, as you know, in Jam Tours, you come to Kenya, you're gonna start your family here. We recommend the Aga Khan Hospital for you. And that's what we do, family. So we're heading there again. This is the 3rd born. And it's like every year, right? 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025. Yeah. So that's how it is, family. I don't know what people will think or what they will say.
Do you care what people will think or what they say?
Yeah, that's you take the road out of my mouth.
It's not like I'm giving birth to take the baby to them.
Okay. Here, Miss Jam Tours, family. So
it's my baby, it's our baby. So
alright, family.
And I feel like giving birth every year or every now and then. That's my problem to deal with.
That's our problem to deal with, family. We look to deal with it the best way. We ask the Most High for guidance and protection. You know what I mean? Because it's he who call the shots.
I'm sorry to cut you. And plus, every family, they have their goal set. How you want those babies arranged, okay?
Yeah.
So if I don't want to separate 5 years, why should I wait for 5 years to have another one? Yeah. Why should I wait for that penty? I just do it pop
and done. And then just enjoy growing them up, family.
If I feel like this one to be the last good for me before 33. So
yeah. Alright, family, it's gonna be 3 under 3. Will it be 3 under 3? Because
they cannot be 3 under 3.
Why?
Amish should be 3 already.
But I feel like this kid, I wanna get this kid to born on Amish birthday, Studio. What do you think?
You don't know how far it is.
Well, it's the same time you get pregnant with Amish. Also, we was in Ghana, and we came back in February, and it's February, you know what I mean? So you feel like this one is what? Yeah, it's the same thing. So I know that this boy will born in September. So I want him to be, it's gonna be a Virgo.
And everybody feels what I'm feeling.
This feeling soon go away, okay?
So
it will go away. It won't last forever.
This forest should make this road job.
Yeah, they should fix that little piece of thing.
Just a little thing.
Alright, family, let's go. Mambo. Thank you. Get parking. Yeah, family. So we actually at the Aga Khan again. This is like deja vu studio. What do you think? Same situation, same place, same time. You know what I mean? Same thing again, over and over again. We still do the same thing again.
So surely somebody can't work this up.
Now make a policy.
So the doctors.
Yeah. So run the highest thought of men.
This hospital, I just don't want to mention it. It's the worst.
Wait, which one?
That one, you know it.
Yeah.
The worst.
All right, family, let's go. We're in the parking lot, and you know, what I mean, as I said, as you can see,
Today's on a Tuesday, so parking is kind of hard.
kind of is tight. I remember coming here looking for parking.
But when you come to give birth, you can even park here. So.
Yeah.
Because you're coming very early in the morning.
All right, family,
things will
let's
be
go.
different.
Jam Tour's got you covered on all angles and all situations, all problems solved. When you come to Kenya,
Did you hear what I said?
yeah,
Hopefully things will be different this time.
it's time. Yeah, it's always be different.
No, with Hamesh, we came here at 3 a.m.
Or to give birth.
Yeah. We came at 3
And
a.m.
Jamesh was when?
We came at 3 a.m. Yet I gave birth the following day at 2 p.m.
And Jamesh is when?
Jamesh, we came at 8 p.m. and I gave birth at 1:47 p.m.
The day?
in the day. We came on a Saturday night. I gave birth on Sunday. Both of them have given birth on Sunday.
That's Sunday, okay. In Ghana, which comment below is that? Which day in Ghana is that? I see the people have to double park right now. All right, family.
Maybe we should do that with this
Let's go.
Let us park.
Huh? It has to be in September, see, because now we're in January. It has to be an Amish birthday. Jamesh and my birthday, Amish and his brother and his same birthday. You have to try again.
I think this time round I'll do epidural. This time round we'll do. This my bag is clearly just for hospital.
This video don't want the water bird. Huh? Feel you should try it. How are you gonna feel, Benzie? Warm water and stuff. It's the best birth. Water birth is the best.
But they were saying,
It's
for a
just
case like me, now that you're recording, I won't say it on camera. Yes, for a case like me, I cannot do this.
yes,
Remember me, I don't go full time. Love,
Oh, they were
I don't
induced.
go full time.
eh?
I don't do full time.
Yeah, family. So we actually just finished the hospital, and as the thing is going up, family. Now, normally there's a package you normally pay for like 39,000 shillings. Now it's gone to 59,000 shillings. The scan, a few thousand shillings adds on it, and I'm sure, you know, for you to give birth to, it's gonna be more. Last time we paid like 140 something.
You step on?
Step on some
Sorry.
a bubble gum.
Yeah.
Repeat.
It will come out. Let's keep walking.
Yeah, so much up on it. Yeah, family. So as you guys know, that I'm sure it's gonna be more. Let's go this way, sweetie.
Yeah.
So let's go, family. Let's go. As I
Last
said,
time you paid how much?
I feel like what 140,000 shillings.
146.
Guy. So I know this time maybe it's maybe like
200.
200. I will start saving for that and plan for that, family. So As you guys know that the longer you take to process out your life issues, you're gonna pay more. Because in this world, prices just going up because of inflation, everything. So the longer you take, unless you're gonna maybe cut back.
But I think for the standard not it was still 9,000. How much was 7,000?
I think it was 7,000. I thought it was 7. Because in my head I thought it's 7. I think it raised rather than
but
2.
me, the package is done that has shocked me.
Guy.
We used to pay 39,700.
I would pay for Amish and Jamesh.
39,000. Yeah, the same amount. Actually, when giving back the same amount.
I know Shemesh you have to pay more. You see? Alright, family. Miss Jam says she wants non-Indian food.
Battered man.
So we're gonna buy that and go. Alright guys, hope you're enjoying this vlog. Yeah.
Guys, I'm not eating food, I just want cake. And battered naan. Specifically Indian.
I see you have some fruits there, you're gonna eat it?
Yeah, I have some fruits. The tomato I'm eating a lot. Yeah.
Alright family, parking full, people at double park. So let's go. Mama, we got you. Mama, we Jam Tours got you. Africa, we got you. Mama, we got you. Mama, we got you.
Those wheels are like yo. I love your house in traffic behind.
In Africa, no more bombs in Africa. No more Africa. No more stars in Africa.
And there's a huge stone this
I'm going to take us through the river Nile. On every child. On every child.
So now how are we going? We need to be strategic.
No? We're going that way to go to Westlands, right?
Okay.
Our home. Their own. Out the soul. Climb and the holy climb. People still live to the holy cause. Right? But that blue area. Up. See? Mama, 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 we got you. Mama, mama, mama. Mama, 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 we got you. We got you now. Mama, we got you now. Mama, Africa, we got you now. Mama, we got you just now like how Marcus Garvey used to got you. Jam Tours got you just like that. Or even better. Mama, we got you. Family, when this album drop, I want you to go and clean it off the shelf. It's gonna be a Pan-African music album. It's gonna be great. Somewhere up the mile, we got you. Mama, we got you. In Africa, yes, Mama, we got you. Hey, Mama, we got you. Don't worry, make your head at you because we got you. We got you. Mama, 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 we got you. Mama, 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 we got you. Mama, 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 we got you. Mama, now. Miss Jam Tours, we got you now. So come to Africa, find a mama and got them. Man said the African continent is a slavery giant. Mama, 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 we got you. Mama, 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 we got you now. Mama, we got you now. Mama, we got you. So, sweetie, what can you understand about this song? You know what it's saying? Alright family, so what I'm gonna do, me and Treasure Man, we're gonna come and we're gonna make a video and we're gonna actually explain the words and lyrics to all these songs. So one love, Ja bless, Jamaica, we are out. Now, yeah, fam, that is to soothe Madam pregnancy. What was it? What did you add?
End of today is Chanandal, it's okay?
Lentils of the day?
Yeah, Chanandal.
What's that?
It's still a season, right?
It's still lentils, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem, no problem.
Madam has come to be soon.
Yeah. All right, family. Let's go. Yeah, fam, this is what Miss Jam Tours is craving for. What third nan? This is not lentils, sweetie.
He just said it's called, I don't know.
It is yellow beans or something.
No, it's still like it's that crushy lentil.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
yellow one.
Yeah, the yellow one. Yeah. How it is?
I needed that taste in my mouth.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tours craving been fulfilled, satisfied. Said she wanna eat Subway. Remember when I was with Amesh, I introduced her to Subway. The first time I eat Subway. I said she want a foot long. You see, you also want figs, no, right? You want
No,
figs.
I want figs.
Alright, so family, let's go to LTU and get some figs.
Baby is feeling nice now.
Alright, so let's go. I'm gonna carry this for Amish. Yeah, fam, so in LTU, we're getting a few figs from Miss Jam Tours. First, really pick. They have prunes. Where is it?
Yeah, they have figs.
Alright, let me
They
check.
look soft.
Yeah, they look soft, yeah.
So how many? How much is it?
Can take 4 bags. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, my brother. Alright, let's go, family. LTU. Amesh, you like the nan mommy brought for you? Yeah, Amesh? Nice. 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 It's nice. It's nice. Amesh, nice. Nice.
So this left on your mattress.
Alright, family. This is the end of this vlog. Like, share, and comment. Amesh, come and say hi. Say hi to the subscribers. Come and say hi. Come. You saying hi? Saying hi to subscribers. My name is Amesh.
Hamas.
Ooh. Sorry. My name is Amesh. All right, family. One love, God bless. Jamaica, I'm out. My name is Amesh.
Hamas.
Amesh.